Alright, now, say if I were to take... Okay, I'm sorry. Let's try that again. This time, we're going to stand with our backs facing this wall and fire randomly.
Is that safe?
Not sure. We're going to try it anyway. Now, what do you expect that we'll see?
Holes.
Wave-like pattern, Bo. The interference bands.
That too.
Right, okay, so.
Crap! Dude, give me the... Have you not heard of ricochet?
Where the heck did you learn to do that?
You have to know how to protect yourself from the aliens!
Alright, Wow, Bo, you actually hit your target. Okay, now, you see, we get the wave-like interference pattern.
Wow.
Alright, now you see what happens is the bullet, when it goes through the slit, it splits apart and rearranges itself in the back, creating these patterns, as you see here. Alright?
Okay.
Now the bullet has wave-like properties. So like I said, you get the patterns. Now, where you actually see the patterns is where the properties are constructive. However, when you see the blank spaces is where the waves are deconstructive. Now, if we take a look at that,
whoa! It's in midair! So what's it doing? Dude. I can't put my hands in the box.
well, you see, in the box, the speed of light must be significantly slower than ours. So it's not that you can't touch it, it's that your hand is moving relatively slow than what we're used to in our dimension. You see, the speed of light in ours is the maximum limit that the galaxy will let you travel. So the civilizations that found this place thousands and thousands of years ago must have dropped something in the box, and it's still falling.
Whoa. So, if the speed of light is like the speed limit or whatever, then why can't I just put my hand in and have it move at the speed of light?
Well, you see, Bo, it takes a strong or huge amount of energy to approach the speed of light. And the closer you approach it, the more effects are going to take place, such as time dilation and space dilation.
Time dilation and space dilation? What's that?
Well, you see, the speed of light has to be relative for everyone. So the closer... So what happens is space and time either stretch or compress to compensate for it. And we're just going to leave it at that. I mean, if I explain it all, we're going to be here a lot longer.
Wow, that's really cool. Oh, look, a squishy!
Wait! Can't you read the sign? Don't go through here. That's the other dimension. If we were to cross it or even touch anything on the other side, God only knows what will happen.
But I like the squishy.
I hate you guys! No!
Dude. I'm a big, strong man. Squishy, dude. No, not again. Must get Andy!
Alright, what ended up happening is, for many years now, I've been going to Stonehenge looking for a portal that would lead me to another dimension. What really ended up happening is, we found the portal, yes, but it didn't take us to another dimension. It took us to a rift in space, so to speak, like a doorway between two dimensions, in a place where quantum mechanics applied on a much, much larger scale than they do in the real world. Special relativity in the real world is so complex as it is once you start to include boundaries of the speed of light, which are different on different sides, then it just gets way too complex to even explain, or even understand for that matter. Near the speed of light, when you add energy to speed up, part of it becomes mass. This increases your inertia, which in turn requires more energy to speed up. The cycle never ends, which means that you would need an infinite amount of energy in order to reach the speed of light. Well, seeing as we were in a room that had so much danger present as it is, I really didn't think anything of it at the time. But as you can tell, I did end up shooting myself. I strongly recommend to kids, never try that at home, and I'm completely sorry for being a bad influence on the youth. They were never heard of again. Bo, that strange hippie. God only knows where the heck he turned up to.
Peace! Peace!
And Billy feels sorry for whatever century he showed up in.
It's Galileo! Oh my God! I love you! I love you! All you did! You proved the planet's going around this! Oh my God!
Some crazy heretic from Galileo's time was burned at the stake for saying he was from the future.
I'm Galileo, and I approve this message.
Three guys, Stonehenge. Three guys at 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 Stonehenge.
What are they gonna do now?